Hey, this is Lynette from LynetteBledsoe.net, and I am coming to you guys live from my home office. And today we're going to be unboxing the Luxury Divas box. So let's get in and let's dive into it. Okay guys, so welcome back. So for you, if you're not too sure, if you've never heard of Luxury Divas box, it's a monthly subscription box. The cost could range from, you can get one box at $35, or you can subscribe on a monthly basis, a 3-month basis, or annual subscription, and those would turn out to be $30 a month if you subscribe. If you use, and I'll put my code somewhere below here, but if you use the code Lynette5, they will give you $5 off of your purchase of either one. So you guys can totally use that code to get $5 off. So what is Luxury Divas box and what's in it? So I don't know. Let's find out what they added into the May box. So let's see what's in our May box. So let's see. So far, I'll move over. So far, here's what we have. So we have a postcard here that says, "We love our subscribers. Please share a review. We're so thrilled." You got the club. I'll read into that later, but a little postcard here. I know for sure that this is like a catalog of what they have available on the website, because you don't have to subscribe to any of the boxes. You like anything, you can still use that coupon code for anything that's on the site to get yourself $5 off. So if you don't want a commitment to anything like a box or anything like that, but you want things specifically, you can totally go to their site and get, you know, whatever's there. So let's just see here. Oh, it says we're not ready to let you go. I subscribed for a 3-month subscription. So this is like my last box according to that subscription. So you guys let me know if I should continue this subscription or what. So let's see how it looks. I've been happy with it so far. My very first box was in March. That was a gift that my husband gave me for my birthday. March was awesome. April was okay. So I guess May will be the test for me to see if I'm gonna keep it or what. So it's like a tie right now. So here's what we have so far. And you guys got me at Twizzlers. So thank you for that. And then here is, it looks like Marina is the one, the curator. Every month you do get a personal card that gives you information, and they say thank you. Whoever put your box together sends you like a personal note. Looks like she said, "Wow, 3 months have gone so fast. I hope you enjoyed your boxes. It's been a pleasure curating these for you. Just want to let you know, if you like to resubscribe, you can keep the same subscription." So awesome. And then we will not, they give you a description of everything that's in your box. So I'm not gonna look at everything, but if you guys see that, it does give you the total value of your box. So this box, thankfully, I don't have to calculate. This box comes to $130. So that is super awesome. So the very first, I don't even know where to start. Okay, I'm gonna let you guys see that so that you guys, you know what this reminds me of a FabFitFun box, because you get like such a mixture of different products, and it's just a bunch of awesomeness. And that's kind of what I like about this box. It's like a bunch of awesomeness that comes, but not on 3-month basis. This is like on a monthly basis. So that's what I like. The very first thing that I am pulling out, and I am digging this. Let me separate them somehow. You know what, Lynette? Take it out the plastic so that you can separate it. So the very first thing I am seeing are, this is rose gold. Ooh, you know what's so funny? I put rose gold eyeshadow on my eyes, so that's crazy. So these are rose gold filigree teardrop earrings. These earrings featured at a classic teardrop shape with an added shimmer and shine. Detailed filigree laser cutout highlights, delicate floral and leaf details that are sure to be noticed. Purposely lightweight to ensure comfortable wear from morning to night. And these are a retail value of $25, and these were also available in purple and gold. So I'm definitely happy to receive this in rose gold, because I don't think this earring would have been as pretty in those other colors. So thank you, Marina, you did awesome. I like that, so that's definitely awesome. The next item here, it's here, and let me see what's in this. What is this? Okay, and the very next item, oh, I did see a couple of other unboxings and I totally dig this one. This is a belt. So thank you, because I saw two different styles and I was like, I want this one. So this is a belt. You guys can see it's like a string belt. So there you go. And then this string belt, it's a multi-strand Celtic knot chain belt. Instantly enhance a simple skirt, dress, or blouse by adding your new chain belt around your waist or midriff. When your outfit can use a little something extra, simply position your chain belt near your waistline or down around your hips. So I definitely will get use out of this. This is a value of $20, and that also could have came in pink, gray, or gold. So I'm definitely appreciative that it wasn't those colors, because I prefer silver for sure. And then the next item I am grabbing here, let me see. Okay, so this is a, let me see. I want to grab it correctly so you guys can see. Okay, here we go. This is, so you guys can see that. This is a blue crystal glass beaded charm bracelet. Shine like royalty. Your new stunning charm bracelet features glass jewels and beads fit for a queen. Use the safety chain for an easy on and off when pulling your bracelet on with one hand. Keep stones radiant by storing it in a satin sachet bag, which thankfully they provided, so that'll keep it definitely shiny and glossy. And that has a value of $19, and that also came in gold and silver, which we got the silver one. And then the next items that we have here, oh, a really super mega strong glass case, sunglass case. And then these are Luxury Diva Cage Diamond Sunglasses hard case. And I like that. Look at the detail on the side. This is a quote. I think the sexiest thing about a woman is confidence, but confidence is humble in a way. Sense of humor is definitely important, and sunglasses are always and sunglasses always hide a multitude of sins. Sunglasses and a great pair of heels can turn most outfits around. Victoria Beckham. So if you guys are seeing this, yes, they said yes, Victoria Beckham. We couldn't have said it better. These could have come in brown or black. These are a value of $16, and I actually like the details of the side. So what do you guys think? Am I Beckham? Am I Victoria Beckham? Just joking. I like these. I think I mentioned these are a value of $20. I like them, so thank you guys. I always need another pair of sunglasses, because I have some pair of sunglasses from FabFitFun, but those are like, I forgot how much those were. Those are like so expensive. I'm like so scared I'm gonna drop them or something. So we always need that, you know, that pair of sunglasses that we can not be afraid to wear. So that is cool. All right, and then the next item I have here is pink and black Ipanema Kiril flip-flops. And I like, these are super awesome, because I've seen these on YouTube and they've been different colors, and I'm so glad I have pink and black, because if you look, most of my colors are pink. So that's weird. Another mystery from Luxury Divas. They seem to know exactly the colors that you need in your life, or you use in your life. Okay, so these sandals to the stars. This is a premium Brazilian flip-flop crafted from patented luxury rubber. Once worn, you'll never want to wear another brand of flip-flops again. Available in only whole sizes. To ensure the proper fit, If you wear half sizes, we round it up to the next size for you. Let me see, these are 8, 9. I usually wear like a 8, or it could be 7.5. It kind of depends on the style of the shoe mostly. Usually sneakers I can get away with 7.5, but like shoes would be an 8. So this is right up my alley. These, excuse me, are a value of $30. And when I used to work in a shoe store in Manhattan, right across the street from the Empire State Building, I used to love the Brazilian customers, or because they would come into the store and I worked off of commission, and they would come out in droves of boxes with stuff. So I definitely know that shoes for them are very important. So if these are from Brazil, or from a Brazil, I guess shoemaker, I like them. So I will definitely get use out of that this summer. And last but not least, this is, let me see, this is a black wrap dress. I know you guys can't really see that. This is a black wrap dress, formal enough for the workplace. This formal printed dress will easily take you out for an evening, dinner, and dancing. The fold over design is fashionable and friendly, yet comfortable with a relaxed fit. This is a value of, where are ya? $30. Not really at all into floral, but I would definitely give this a try. That's the only thing. This is like the second floral item I've gotten, and I don't wear any florals at all. I wear solid I wear solid colors. So I would definitely give this a try just to see how it fits. Not too sure if I would wear this though, but I will see how it fits and see what I think. So stay tuned. You're either gonna see that to the left, or, well, no, I'll fit it into the video. So give me a second. Let me try this on and see what I think. Okay guys, so I am back. So first impressions, this is the only epic fail. And I think this is kind of hard for me and fashion subscription boxes. I'm not into florals at all, so I can't say that I would wear this. This actually, the dress reminds me of the Show Me Your Moo robe that I got from FabFitFun, which I actually love because it's a robe, but I wouldn't wear anything like this outside. It's not my style now. If this was one color, maybe I would definitely like it more, but this is the only fail I would say that I had with the LD box is this floral dress, because florals are not my style at all. So but overall I think all of the other products were perfect. Let me do a recap. So we did get this. We did get the shoes that I love. We got the bracelet. We got that. We got the Twizzlers, where we can't say no to that. And we have the belt. What else? We got the earrings, which I will definitely get use out of all of this stuff that I'm mentioning. And then of course we got the sunglasses. So this box overall was an awesome box for me. Just the floor, I don't wear florals at all, ever. And this is not to knock anyone who does, but to me florals, I'm 42 only. But for me, florals remind me of like just an older woman who's in retirement, walking around like in a golf club, country club and stuff. So not my style at all. So that's the only negative about Luxury Divas box, was this floral set. But I'm gonna put the videos to my other Luxury Divas boxes. I definitely got use out of everything in the box, but the dress was an epic no for me, because I won't wear this at all. So that's okay. So with that being said, what did you guys think? Do you guys get the Luxury Divas box at all? What do you guys get? Did you guys get a wrap dress this month? What color did you guys get? I didn't see anyone else who got Luxury Divas box get a floral wrap dress. I do see that. I saw that other people got like dresses, but they were like singular colors, which would have been perfect. But like I said, with fashion subscriptions, it's a hit or miss. So I am totally happy with everything in the box. So what did you guys think? Would you guys get this box? And I'll definitely put their link in my description. And again, if you guys use the word Lynette at 5, you guys get $5. So if you kind of want, if you see a box out there every month, you just want to do the one, you can definitely use the $5 for that. Or if you want to subscribe and see what you guys get, definitely you can still use a coupon no matter what. So what do you guys think? Should I keep this one? I'm not too sure yet if I'm gonna keep this one. What do you guys think? Should I resubscribe to it, or should that be it? So with that being said, you guys enjoy your day, and we will see you on the next video. Have a good day, guys.